Hey friends, if you're holding open house and you're offering to help the visitors at the end of their tour and they're saying, no, thank you, no, we don't need any help, no, you don't need to stay in touch with us. What I want to share with you is a power question that you can ask that will 99.9% of the time will result in a yes, we'd like your help. So it can turn things around 180 degrees for you. So let me do this. I'm going to kind of describe what happens at the open house and what you're trying to accomplish. And then at the end of that, I'm going to give you the dialogue. Here's what I would say. And that will lead to them saying yes, right? There's no trick to it. What you're doing is offering something of value, but you have to set it up correctly. So what happens is this. I'm holding an open house. Visitors are coming in. I greet them. And as we're walking through the home and talking and chatting conversationally, there's good energy, good chemistry. I'm showing them through the home, and they do what most people do. It's not the right home for them. Very rarely is ever the right home. So they're going to say, oh, the kitchen's too dark. The backyard's not quite big enough. I really need a 3-car garage. This isn't the right school district, but so really that's what we want. So anyways, and then I'm going to also ask some questions as we're going through very casually of how many homes they've looked at, how are they finding, how did find this open house, how are they looking at other properties and so on. And basically what I'm looking to do is to discover what the problem is with their home search, right? And then I'm going to solve the problem. So first I'm going to agitate it, then I'm going to solve it. So the scenario is that we walk to the home, everything's rocking, and at the end, what most agents will say, maybe they've signed together and say, hey, I'd love to show you some homes. This isn't the right one. I can set up a search for you. I can do this. Would you like that? No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. Off they go. Very frustrating. Got to ask a power question. So here's what I would ask and how I would ask it, and see if this will work for you. I'm sure that it will. So we tour the home. Things are great. At the end of our conversation, now they're getting ready to leave, I say, well, John and Mary, it looks like this isn't the right home. It doesn't have the pool that you're looking for, and it's not in the right school district. And it seems like you're looking at a lot of things and just haven't found the right property because you're looking for something unique. And then I shut up and just smile. And then they say, yes, we are. So, well, John and Mary, here's one of the challenges that you have. The really unique properties like you're looking for in this school district, on a cul-de-sac, 3-car garage, 4-bedroom with a study, big backyard with a pool, so on and so forth, right? What happens is that when they come on the market through MLS, well, they sell in a matter of hours, right? Sometimes before they even get to the websites they're using, like Zillow. So that's a challenge. And then you may not be aware of this, but there's a whole subset of properties that sell, where we have sellers that never even come on the market. These are private sales, pocket listing sales, coming soon listing properties. And these are off market, so you never hear about them, right? The way that they're discovered is this property information is shared among top producing agents. So let's say I have a new listing coming on the market, and I might have a seller who says, I want to sell the property. It's not coming on the market. They say, I want to sell my property, but I don't want droves of people coming through. I don't want an MLS. Hey, if you find someone who's interested in my type of property, let me know and we'll set up a private showing. So a lot of top agents have 2 or 3 of those banging around, where they have clients or customers who past customers who say, well, that's what I want to do. And then we have pocket listing and coming soon listings. And this would be where I have a listing coming on the market, maybe in 2 or 3 weeks. The seller says, yeah, if you find someone, I'd like to avoid all the hassle of all the showings, that, will pay my price in terms, but these are nice properties. And so what I do is I bundle up a little property description, property profile, and I share it with the 100+ agents in my office, and then I'll send it out to other top performers in our marketplace so they're aware of it, right? And so what happens is they get the notice they have a customer like you who's looking for something special. It's not on the market, but they're aware of it. It's an off-market sale. They get in touch and, hey, you want a private showing? Let's take a look at this property. And then, so there's a whole number of properties that sell that no one, you're not aware of them if you're using the traditional methods or you're working with an agent who's not connected with other top performers. So my question for you is this, is if there's a private sale, pocket listing, coming soon opportunity that matches your criteria, that is not going to go on the market for public consumption, then my question is, John and Mary, would you like to know about that property before everybody else? Would you like to know about that private fire bonus? Now, the answer to that will be yes, right? No one's going to say, yeah, if you find out about a property that meets our description that's a private sale, I don't want to know about it. I want to keep doing it. They're not going to say that. They're going to say yes. And then this allows you to gather the information and then begin the follow-up process of delivering more value and helping them out. So that's my tip for you. I know it works because we get great reports from team members in our office. And if you're getting the answer no, 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 shift your question, reframe the situation with your people. What you want to do is share, hey, here's the problem, agitate the problem, solve the problem, and good things will happen. All right. I appreciate you. Thanks for your time and attention. If I can do to help you, support you, don't hesitate to call on me. Best wishes in 2020. Talk to you later. Thanks a lot.